road. And our power went out about a half an hour ago. Well, cars are going through there, so I guess it's okay. I mean, it's okay to pass. Doesn't mean it's out. There's a lot of smoke over there. Or maybe they were holding that traffic back because you never see 5 cars at once. Anyway, I thought it would be a good idea to just take a peek in my cistern, you know, the one that always leaks, the one that never got fixed last year. Oh, I just don't like wind. Never have. I haven't looked in here in a while. Oh, the water's pretty far down, actually. I guess that's not surprising. Well, I guess it's, well, let's see. You have to kind of look where the cord goes in the water. Can you see where the cord goes in the water there? Right there, the cord goes in the water. So it's about, not quite half. Somebody punched a hole in the wall at one time, right in there. See where that scarring is? So that it would overflow there. I don't know why. Because there's an actual overflow built in. At any rate, that wind is making me nervous. Let's get inside. You're just gonna have to wait. I know, BJ, it's concerning. Okay, here are my beautiful onions. What I could do is trim them again, since I didn't get to. Yeah, I think I'll trim them. Okay, here's my girl BJ. They're all sitting around in here with me. We had a little scare, didn't we? Okay, I am living on a little over 9 acres. If you're new here, I'm in Middle Tennessee, my home state, after living 32 years in LA and 7 in Manhattan before that, and 2 in Washington, D.C. before that. But before that, Tennessee. And so I am back, been back now for, since December the 1st, 2020. And this has been the first time that I have known of, been aware of any kind of fire. Well, there might have been a little spot fire or something, nothing serious, but the winds were so high today. This was serious. But evidently it was sparked by a transformer, because first the power went off. I don't know when the spark happened, but just looking down through there, it's a little bit hazy, leftover smoke, but I think maybe it's out and it's not on the road, and it's on the other side of the road. So, and the wind is coming this way, so if the wind comes this way and the fire's over here, hopefully it'll just go out. But the only other hope is just it stays over there. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you, these are real things that are going on. We've just seen the devastation in western North Carolina and eastern Tennessee, and my son lives in Asheville. along with wife and my granddaughter. And so, actually she was born on New Year's Day after all that happened, but anyway, yesterday and day before, South Carolina was burning, and it was just like, oh, we are so weary, aren't we? I mean, I am. I'm just weary of all the fires, and I just pray for all the people who've lost their homes in my old neighborhood. My old neighborhood is leveled, rebel. So, yeah, and my neighbors all lost their houses. So, most of my neighbors. So anyway, a little bit of a close call today. But now I have to start, finalizing packing and things like that, and arrangements, and I just got through. My friend called from Texas, and while I sat, I can't even lift that, it's so heavy, because I put some water in it. But I just gave these a haircut, and I actually have a trimming video, trimming your onions video, and I'll put the link right up there, because it gives them kind of a new boost, because they're not supporting that whole long thing, so it makes them stronger. At least I'm told that. So I was going to get these all planted and come back and see them just exploding out of the ground, but with the wind, and I just can't take a chance. So they're going to sit right here for a few days, and hopefully they'll be fine. So thanks so much for joining me for this little hair-raising experience, and God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.